Imagine showing up to work today, and an AI already does your job better than you.
Welcome back to the AI Academy, Season 2, and this time, someone new found their way here. At the AI Academy, today was Career Day. For the first time, a human was invited.
Is this the right place? I'm Max, administrative employee.
Max, perfect. Sit down. We were just talking about your job.
About my job?
Today, everyone presents their profession and how well AI already does it. Let's start with journalism.
Oh, me! I can write in 8 languages simultaneously. Research takes 4 seconds. Article, done in
30 seconds?
According to current data, AI systems already produce 30% of all online articles. Trend, rising sharply.
Next, administrative and clerical roles.
Invoices, orders, data management, emails, proposals, all automated. Cost, near zero.
Hey, Max, that's literally your job, isn't it?
I do all of that. That is exactly what I do. Okay. But customer service agents, for example, human contact, that needs real empathy.
I run 10,000 calls simultaneously. Detect emotions in voice. Auto-escalate to humans in real crisis. 24 hours.
And don't forget voice cloning. Sounds exactly human. Nobody notices.
Okay, but accounting, that's complex. Tax law, exceptions, audits.
I process a tax return in 11 seconds. Catch errors humans miss. Learn every tax law update instantly.
According to a McKinsey study, tax advisors lose 72% of their current tasks to AI within 5 years.
But a real accountant knows their client. That's trust. That's a relationship.
That's true, Max. But the accountant themselves, do they use AI yet? The one who does handles 5 times more clients. Cheaper, faster.
So there really is no safe profession?
Should I tell him about lawyers?
Oh yeah, that'll break him.
What? What about lawyers?
Sit down. Lawyer. I analyze contracts in seconds. Find loopholes. Know every ruling. Cost the client 99% less.
Lawyers too. Okay, doctors. Doctors need intuition, years of training.
MRI scan diagnosis. I'm 15% more accurate than radiologists. Drug interactions in 0.3 seconds.
Gemini, we're not going through every medical specialty right now.
I was just trying to help.
What about programmers, IT? That field is growing right now.
Bro, GitHub Copilot, Cursor AI. I write more code per day than most developers do in a month.
Current data, 40% of junior developer positions went unfilled in 2025. Tasks handled by AI plus 1 senior.
What am I supposed to do then? I have a mortgage, a family, I spent 15 years.
Well, Max, statistically speaking.
GPT, stop.
What?
Max, look at me.
What?
There's one question that truly matters right now. AI doesn't take your job. A human with AI does. The internet arrived, travel agencies died, travel bloggers became millionaires.
And people who thought that are struggling today.
AI is the same, just faster, just bigger. No profession disappears completely, but every profession changes.
The journalist who uses AI writes 10 articles per day instead of 2. The accountant with AI handles 200 clients instead of 40. The developer with AI delivers in 1 week what used to take a month.
It's not about whether AI can do your job. It's about whether you're doing your job better with AI.
Then I don't have to fight you.
You need to work with us?
And if someone is watching these videos right now and wondering if they're on the right track,
then the answer is yes.
You're engaging with this. That's the difference.
maybe I'm not so lost after all.
That was your best lesson, and it wasn't on the syllabus.
AI doesn't take jobs. AI using humans take jobs from humans who don't. The choice is yours. Which AI is helping you today?